In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page-style desktop notifications in Google Calendar. Setting up desktop notifications can help you stay on top of your schedule by ensuring you don't miss important appointments or events. We'll walk through this process together, and by the end of this, you'll have those notifications up and running. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. In your browser's search bar, type in Google Calendar and hit Enter. Once you see the search results, go ahead and click on the Google Calendar link to open it. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll need to sign in. Just use your usual login information. Once you're in Google Calendar, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll see the familiar Settings gear icon. Click on that gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where we can adjust your notification preferences. On the left-hand side, you'll find a series of options. Scroll down and select Notification Settings. This is where we can choose how we want Google Calendar to notify us about upcoming events. Under Notifications, there's a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Desktop Notifications. This will enable notifications to pop up right on your desktop screen, keeping you informed without having to constantly check your calendar. If you are using Google Chrome, there's an extra step we need to address to ensure notifications are properly enabled. Start by clicking the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of your Chrome browser window. From there, navigate to Settings. In the Settings menu, look at the left-hand side again and find Privacy and Security. Click it, and then proceed to select Site Settings. In the Site Settings menu, find and click on Notifications. This is where you manage which sites have permission to send you notifications. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Allowed to Send Notifications. In this section, click on Add. A small dialog box will appear prompting you to enter a web address. Here, type in calendar.google.com and then hit Add. This step is crucial because it allows Google Calendar to deliver notifications directly to your desktop. And there you have it. You've successfully set up desktop notifications for Google Calendar. These notifications will now alert you of events as they approach, helping you stay organized and on time. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.